sa graduation.
So, constructing candidates for graduation.
Dapat i-rent ko. Tapos sabi niya huwag na i-rent. Grabe na lang.
Diwa.
Muli, ako po si John Vincent David.
Uy, Yuri, yung ano ko naman, palit ko, di ko na binalik.
Ano yung maliit ang buhok na maputi? Pila, grabe.
Ano utang mo sa'yo, Ren?
Nagpa-firma kami ng clearance. So, nasa-sindi kami. So, last na lang kami. College din, tsaka register na lang. And then, tapos ako sa clearance. Nice again, guys.
Ed, picture ka pa.
Hi! So, hi guys.
Yung try pa hanap mo niyan.
Ikaw!
Dami na naman bit.
So, parang ang dilim niya. Dali. Hi! Hi! Oh, hi!
Sa buko. Ang hirap ayusin ng buko. Pwede pa naman.
Ano? Sila mo din. Nasikin.
Sa video na yun?
No, it's DJ. Ayos mo na.
Bro, si Lods. What's up? What's up, Pants?
Mami ito ba?
Nag-vlog nga.
Wala mo kanina yan.
Francis.
Mama Andrew.
Ay, pang Andrew? Bagsak yan.
Uy, mag-start.
Hindi naman siya hindi naman siya camera, ay video siya.
Ay, video ba siya?
Iyaw ah.
Nagbibigyan-video. Gusto na yung pest.
Peste natin.
Ito na.
Sing-sing sila ng video na.
Privileges and benefits pertaining thereto. And here, Gerald, I now declare you graduates.
Nice.
Okay, go ba?
Go.
The non-different means, please raise your right hand for our honorable pledge. Pakitaas lang po ang kamay. I state your name. That I, the Philippine Tropical Pocket Law and the National Handloom Weaving Innovation Council. He entered the Philippine Textile Research Institute in 2002 as a young chemist and rose from the ranks, beginning as Science Research Specialist 1, later leading the natural dyes and smart textiles R&D programs until his appointment in 2023 by President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. as Director of the Philippine Textile Research Institute.
Bachelor of Fine Arts, major in Visual Communication. President of Pascual Aviones, cum laude.
Stress na ako, hindi siya malusog.
Hindi nakikita yung screen.
Malayo na nga eh. Bayudan na, bayudan.
Francis Adrian, Dr. Bayudan, cum laude. Shelo.
Ang tagal ni Mayor! Ano ba si Mayor?
Kathleen Joy Ascolan Covarrubias, cum laude.
Mamaya. Wala pa si Jetzel.
Dan Vincent Ramos David, Magna cum laude. Mark Jetzel Onilas David, cum laude. Daphne Lubuk Veloso del Rosario, cum laude. Mariela Mendoza Polintan. Justin Paul Sudla Rara.
Ay, wow. Ang lapit ko. Pakipasa kay Mami.
Kailan?
Sasakay mo.
Mark Joshua
I'm passing this phone to Ella.
Luis Elam Silva.
Sino yan?
Indigo Jimenez.
Naka-official ba yan?
Mark Alistair Magat Sulay, cum laude. And Justin Pellegrino Caban, cum laude.
Tapos na.
We experienced different struggles. We had different definitions of success. But somehow today, we are all standing in the same place. We have all achieved. Ako po si John Vincent David, scholar ng bayan, leader estudyante, at alagad ng sini. To my circle and friends, to the people who made my college life so much bearable. Krista, Jade, Judson, Jocelyn, Lawrence, Inea, Rizal, Charlotte, Alistair, Mariela, Hart, and Keith. Thank you for making this past 4 years lighter than they could have been. Thank you for always believing in me and for constantly reminding me that I could do more than I could. Kapag may tanong ako, may sasagot sa inyo. Kapag may kailangan ako, may tutulong. Kapag may problema ako, may mapagsasabihan. Thank you for every overnight just to finish our plates. For the last minute cramming, para may pasa natin yung plates natin, mga 11:59 deadline. For every minute we have shared, that somehow always ended with all of us spending more than what we planned. And for the laughter and random conversations that become our escape in the middle of all stress. Places, we experienced different struggles. We had different definitions of success. But somehow, we are all standing in the same place. We kept going, we kept creating, we kept learning, we kept believing. And finally, we have all arrived. Muli, ako po si John Vincent David, marangal na pagbati sa mga arkitekto, inhinyero, at higit sa lahat sa mga alagad ng sining ng bayan. Maraming salamat po.